Hi you guys, welcome back or welcome if you're new here today. My name is Josie and I am a wife and a mom to one baby girl, and I have a baby boy on the way. I am 7 months pregnant, and today I'm bringing you all the cozy vibes with some cozy cleaning motivation and baking. If you're new here, my entire house is already decorated for fall, so if you haven't watched those fall decorating videos, I'll have them all linked down in the description. And then we took a break to do my DIY baby shower, and then now we're back to cozy fall motivation, and the nursery DIY makeover is coming next week, God willing. So definitely stay tuned for that. I did so many DIYs, including a shiplap wall. Well, my husband mostly did that, but I also painted my own artwork in his room. I DIY'd some decor, and it came out so beautiful. So I'm so excited to show you guys that. And yeah, I'm just gonna finish cleaning the kitchen, and then we're gonna start baking and all that cozy fall stuff. I didn't have much to clean in here, just put away the dishes from the dishwasher, reload the dishwasher, and then wipe down all the countertops. It wasn't anything too heavy. This is really just meant to just give you some cozy fall motivation with the music and the decor and the baking and all that. So if you need to clean your kitchen or clean any area in your house and you want to do it while listening to cozy fall music and watching cozy fall baking, then go ahead, get up and clean with me, and I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. So really, I'm just here today to kind of show you guys how you can bring some cozy vibes into your house after cleaning. So putting down the fall flavors of the essential oils down my sink is one way I get my house smelling good, as well as lighting fall candles after I clean, which you'll see here in a second. And then, of course, baking fall flavored desserts, which is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna transform some normal desserts that you can get in your everyday grocery store into fall items, because I know the fall items that are actually, marketed for fall sometimes are not available. I know in my Target they're never available because people are obsessed with seasons and they buy things right away. But before we get into that, I did want to thank Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. I've worked with Ana Luisa numerous times already. They are a jewelry company that sells high quality but affordable carbon and climate neutral jewelry pieces starting at just $39. So today they sent me this beautiful necklace that kind of has a pearl looking material in the middle, and then these earrings that I actually got for my husband. He picked them out. He's been wanting hoop earrings, but today I really wanted to focus on the jewelry pieces that I've had from them already, maybe over a year and a half. And one of my favorites is this mama necklace that I'm going to show you here in a second. Perfect because I'm a mama going on my second baby. So I love this necklace. I wear it all the time. Everybody who knows me knows that this is like the only necklace I wear, as well as any of their other stuff. All their stuff is hypoallergenic, which is what I really love about them, because I have very sensitive ears. So their earrings are pretty much the only jewelry that I can wear on my ears. But the mama necklace, I've had it for a year and a half. I've showered with it. It's been through so much and it's still held up so beautifully. So if you're in the market for any jewelry pieces and you want jewelry pieces that are gonna last you, that are gonna sustain through weather, through showering, through all of that stuff, and not break the bank, then I highly recommend checking out Ana Luisa. They did give me a 20% off discount code for you guys if you use Josie Williams 20. You can get 20% off your order, and I'll leave all of that in the description box. So if you guys are interested, I highly recommend them. Again, I've been working with them for maybe over a year and a half, and I just love their jewelry pieces. So thank you to Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. Now we're gonna start with the fall baking, which again is another way I get my house smelling fall-like, and just bringing all that coziness is baked treats, candles, essential oils, but especially baked treats because the smell from the oven just radiates throughout the entire house. But these are just ordinary regular Pillsbury cinnamon rolls. I think they do have a fall one in Target that is like pumpkin flavor, but they were sold out, and so I made my own. What I did was I mixed their frosting with a little bit of pumpkin puree, about a tablespoon, and you mix that, and it even turns like a very light orange color, very similar to the ones that are marketed for fall but are probably sold out 9 out of 10 times if you go to your Target. So yeah, I just mixed a little bit of the pumpkin puree, and then I also bought some pecans, and I'm gonna mash those up with a mortar and pestle that is usually just for decor, but I actually used it today for this video, and it worked great to like make them into little crumbly pieces, and then sprinkle that on top of the cinnamon rolls, and they came out so delicious, and they look delicious, and they add to your decor as well because they just look so cute in my cake stand. And what I do with the icing is I put it inside of a piping bag so that I can pipe it on all over the cinnamon rolls. It's a little more aesthetically pleasing than using a spoon. So
somehow we couldn't feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high, but I remember days I wonder we were always gonna last. Yeah, I do remember tears and the laughter. How could we fall so fast?
something else I'm gonna do is bake these oatmeal chocolate chip cookies from Betty Crocker. I love these so much. We love oatmeal cookies here, and the cookie jar was empty that I have on top of my buffet, and so I wanted to make these, but again, add some fall touches to these cookies. So I did the same thing. I added a little bit of pumpkin puree, and I followed the rest of the recipe, and these came out so delicious as well. There is a lot of gray areas with baking. You don't have to stay exact with recipes. You can change things up, and one of the things that you can do, I know last year I did like a cozy fall morning routine where I added pumpkin puree to my French toast mix, and that was delicious. They also have the pumpkin whipped cream now, so you can just do all these little things to just enjoy the season more, you know, not rush to Christmas and winter and all that stuff, but enjoy fall, enjoy the moment that you're in. I know that's what I'm trying to do, especially because come 2 months later, I'm going to have a second baby and life is going to be crazy. So I'm really trying to just soak up what I can right now.
into your eyes, I see we're out of time. Did what we could, my friend, but now we're at the end.
There's some stains on your photo, little cracks on your rusty frame, stuck in the mud, but it's okay. I don't have the pieces of your home buried in the flashbacks. All these wicked nightmares has gone cold. Now we go way, way back, as far as way back goes. Still standing by your side. You know I'll be right here when all the monsters come. I've got you.
Watching this back, I just wish I had more of these. They are so good. Of course, not the healthiest, but for a fall treat every now and then, these, or a fall movie night, or whatever the case may be, these are perfect, and they're so good. You don't have to add the pecans. I know some people are allergic. You can add peanuts or anything, fall sprinkles that you want, and just adding the pumpkin to the cream cheese just elevated it so much, and my house smells so good. I can't even express that to you guys enough. But if you're still here, go ahead and let me know down below. Just a way to try to get us all to just live in the moment. What is your favorite thing about fall? So mine definitely has to be the warm colors and tones, and like in the house, and when the leaves start to change. It's just, I love the colors. And then I also love all the cinnamon pumpkin flavored stuff that's out there, because that's one of my favorite flavors is cinnamon, and I just love it. So go ahead and let me know what's your favorite thing down below. So this is it. This is how you have a cozy day. You can label this a self-care day, whatever you want. But I cleaned up, I lit candles, I made my house smell good by baking some treats, and then I made pumpkin hot chocolate with pumpkin whipped cream and fall sprinkles. And I sat down and I enjoyed a fall love movie and enjoyed looking around at all the decor that I worked so hard to put up. You work hard to put it up, but you also have to enjoy it. So make sure that you enjoy this fall. I hope that this gave you motivation to try some of these things, and I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your week. I will see you next week with the nursery makeover, God willing, as always. And don't forget to check out Ana Luisa in my description box, and thank you again to them for sponsoring today's video.